Am I the only one that didn't know how lightning actually works? Let's dive into the science behind it. Imagine a massive game of tug-of-war in the clouds. On one side, you've got positive charges, and on the other, negative charges. When the tension builds up too much, bam! A huge electric current we call lightning shoots through the sky. Here's the cool part. This electric zap can be 5 times hotter than the surface of the sun, and that booming sound, thunder, well, that's just the air expanding super fast from the heat. So next time you see lightning, remember it's like nature's way of balancing its electrical budget. Pretty electrifying, right? Don't forget to like and follow for more science wonders.